You good?
Yeah.
Welcome to the 100th year anniversary of the Northwest Free-for-All Championship. It's March 17th. We've got a 10-lap race. Ready on the right. Ready on the left. The flag is up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have competitors Eric Sawyer. We have competitor John Dennis. We have competitor Kenny Whitehorse and competitor Jay Yezo. Thank you, Paul Kruger, for shooting off the gun and being our class secretary as well as our treasurer. This will be the final race of our 2013 100th year anniversary regatta.